You're asleep, completely out, drooling on your pillow, probably snoring, zero awareness of the world around you. By every biological definition, you are helpless. Now imagine you're not in your bedroom. You're in a tent. A thin sheet of nylon separating you from a forest full of animals that could end you if they felt like it. Lions, bears, wolves, leopards, creatures that can hear your heartbeat from across a clearing, smell you from a mile away, and see perfectly in the dark while you lie there with your eyes closed. And yet, you wake up every single time. Why? A sleeping human is just meat. Slow meat, quiet meat, meat that can't fight back. You'd think predators would circle campsites every night like an all-you-can-eat buffet. But they don't. And the reason isn't one thing. It's several, layered together into something almost like an invisible agreement between humans and the wild. Start with this. You are terrifying. Not you personally, but humans as a species are evolutionarily frightening to predators. A 2019 UC Santa Cruz study played recordings of human voices near mountain lions in California. The pumas fled. At the same rate they fled from barking dogs, sometimes faster. They even abandoned kills they were actively eating just to get away from the sound of us. That fear isn't random. For roughly 2 million years, humans have hunted large predators so relentlessly that we've shaped their genetics. The bold ones got killed off. The cautious ones survived and passed that caution down. Today, when a leopard picks up your scent, an ancient alarm fires in its nervous system. Be careful. Don't engage. Move on. Then there's your smell. To a predator's nose, a bear's is roughly 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. You're a chemical mess of nylon, sunscreen, soap, and processed food. You don't match anything they've evolved to hunt. You're not in the system. And unfamiliar things trigger caution, not appetite. There's also fire. Fear of fire is nearly universal across land animals. It's innate, not learned. Humans have slept beside fire for over 1 million years, and every predator nearby has gotten the message. Something dangerous controls this. Stay away. Movies love the fearless predator, but real predators are extremely risk-averse. An injury with no vet, no antibiotics, often means death. So every hunt is a calculation, and a sleeping human fails it. We're unpredictable. We're deceptively large when standing, and there's almost always easier familiar prey nearby. Even your sleep is working for you. Human sleep cycles through lighter stages where your brain stays partly alert, the sentinel function. Unfamiliar sounds are far more likely to wake you than familiar ones. And you're rarely alone. Camping in groups means one person waking up can rouse everyone, turning an easy kill into chaos no predator wants. None of this makes you untouchable. Every famous man-eater, the lions of Tsavo, the Champawat tiger, was an animal pushed outside the norm, injured, starving, or robbed of its usual prey. The rule holds only when the ecosystem is healthy, and predators are behaving as evolution built them to. And here's the strangest part. Our fear effect doesn't stop at us. When predators avoid human areas, deer populations grow unchecked, vegetation gets overgrazed, and smaller predators pull back too, letting rodent populations boom. One species' inherited fear ripples through an entire ecosystem just by existing. You're the animal that figured out fire before it figured out almost anything else. You sleep light, you travel in groups, and you carry 10,000 generations of survival in your DNA. So next time you're lying in a tent, listening to the dark beyond the nylon wall, that flicker of ancient anxiety, that's fine. It kept your ancestors alive. But the thing outside isn't coming in. It knows better.